that off, make them a little pocket here for my... That'll be good there, and then we'll just drop that corner piece. That's good there. Yeah, I think that's good. I'm going to grab this. Move over here in our main area.
Hey, so you got your compressor here all hooked up.
It's all hooked up. The air's in it. It's ready to go there.
Is there any certain pressure you try to keep it at?
I try to run 60 pounds.
60.
60 to, and then I can adjust the air on the nozzle of the gun.
Oh, okay.
I can adjust the air, what's coming out from the line to the gun if I need.
Hey, how did that nozzle fit on that hopper? That's the little thing you call the hopper.
Yeah, the hopper gun, basically you just choose your size of your...
Right. I saw that, but how did it snap on the hopper? The whole thing?
The whole gun?
Yeah.
You stick the gun right in here and then you use a clamp to clamp it on.
Oh, okay, okay. And then you're going to hook the hose to the end of it.
Hook the hose to the end of it. This is your air. You can shut it off, turn it on.
And then how do you adjust it if the pressure?
By turning the nozzle on the gun.
Oh, okay.
And then turning this also.
And that will adjust the flow of the splatter design, how thick you want it and stuff.
So I just set that in a bucket. That's my stand.
Okay. Just so when it starts dripping or whatever, it's going to leak out of there.
I can fill it up and it's stable.
There you go.
One person can fill it up and it's stable because it'd be hard to hold it up.
Yeah.
So basically you got yourself a little working area. You free your hands up to dump it in.
That's why it's got to be the consistency of cake batter, so you can pancake batter, so you can dip it in there. How much of that are you going to put in?
I dump about. I want to get about half of it, half full. The hopper about half full because otherwise it's too heavy to hold.
Right.
And you can move it around a little easier when it's so. And then when it runs dry, I can just fill it back up again, and we'll be.
Okay.
We'll be in good shape.
And is there any sort of particular pattern that you want to spray that in, up and down, across, circular? What's
kind of across, overlapping.
Overlap it and kind of.
Overlapping.
Well, I'll watch you. We'll see.
We're going to try to see. It's kind of like a trial basis here. Once we get it hooked up.
You're going to check out the thickness of the pattern here.